politician and social reformer who inspired the Dalit movement and campaigned against the social discrimination against the untouchables. He was also a member of the drafting commission of Indian Constitution. Thank you.
Friends, my name is Ubed. I am from 5th class. My school name is Arizona School. I am Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was an Indian socialist revolutionary whose two acts of dramatic violence against the British in India and execution at age 23 made him a folk hero of the Indian independence movement. Bye, friends.
Hi everyone, my name is Madhura. I am from Iris World School 3rd grade. Today I am going to present myself as Sarojini Naidu, who was the great president of India and popularly known as Nightingale of India. First of all, I want to salute thousands of women who dedicated their life for freedom of their motherland. I was born on 13 February 1879 in Bengali family at Hyderabad. I completed my matriculation and moved to London for higher studies. I got into politics by Gopalakrishna Gokhale, Gandhi and Nehru in 1916. I took inspiration from Gandhi and decided to fight for freedom. I also actively worked hard for upliftment and equality of women in society. I became President of Indian National Congress. I also became Governor of Uttar Pradesh in 1947. Thank you. both before and after the independence. Good morning everyone, my name is Akshara. I am from Iris World School 3rd grade. First of all, I wish you a very happy Republic Day to all. On this occasion, I would like to speak few lines about one great freedom fighter. Can you guess? Yes, that is Rani Lakshmibai. Rani Lakshmibai was the great freedom fighter who sacrificed her life for freedom. Rani Lakshmibai was born on 19th November 1828 in the town of Varanasi into a Marathi Brahman family. She was named as Manikarnika Thambe or nicknamed as Manu. She got her education at her home and she was more independent than other children. She was fond of shooting, horse riding, sword fighting, etc. At the age of 12, she married to King of Jhansi Maharaj Gangadhar Rao. Later, she gave a birth to a baby boy named as Damodar Rao. After few days, Gangadhar Rao died due to long illness. British refused to accept the Anand Rao as their legal heir because he was an adopted child. However, Lakshmibai did not going to give up the throne. She collected arms and ammunition when the Britishers attacked the fort of Jhansi. They were surprised to see the sword in the hands of Queen. Certainly, she did not dominate the British army, but she fought for her last breath and gave her life for the sake of freedom. Her famous slogan was, "मैं आपकी जान सी नहीं दूंगी." Thank you. Jai Hind.
I wish a very happy Republic Day to everyone. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam Sufalam, Malayaj Sheetalam, Sasya Shamalam, Mataram, Vande Mataram, Suprajoshna Pulakitayamini, Pullakusumita Drumadala Shobini, Suhasini Sumadurabasini, Sukadam Varadam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. Thank you.
Morning, everybody. Give me blood, I will give you freedom. It is not given, it is taken. We should have but one desire today. The desire to die so that India may live.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा
विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा, तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मागे, गाहे तब जय धाता।
मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता
जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।